Ladies, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to mark parts of a song. So this is something I really started doing more in my advanced years, but it's definitely a good habit to get into, and it's really easy to do. You just hit Alt T, so like Alt and then T, and I think if you're on Mac, it's like Command then T or something. Hold on. Okay, if you're on if you're on Mac, it's Options and then T. So Alt T. Let me click in here first. Alt T. First of all, like in order to do this, you can't be like playing music. So if it's doing this while recording, and you do it, watch. It's gonna do it like way back. Yeah, like it doesn't like mark the right area. So let's just delete that. Yes, there is an art to marking the part of your song. You're gonna want to pause the track so it's not playing, and say I want to like say I could say like beat drops here. I could be like, hey, like you can already see, like I have more practical notes on my actually on here. Like I write myself some notes sometimes. Like I'll come back and be like, work on drops, like work on how like I transition the part. Is this the outro we want? I'm like, maybe I could try a different outro later or evaluate it later. But you can write notes in here just to remember for whatever reason, any reason at all. Like I guess typically people would be like, hey, chorus starts here, verse starts here. We need somebody to fill out this part or something like that, you know. But you can write notes on anything, and this is a cool feature. If you're not familiar with this drop down menu in general, there's a lot of cool features here. I showed you guys how to do a background and the like change how this looks, like the glass feature here, which if you didn't watch my other video and you're confused by what I just said, that's totally fine. But there's a whole time markers section here, so you can add one, say every 4 bars. I could just say every 4. So there's a lot of different things you can do here. I don't really want to do that, but you get the point. Like just explore this section. There's some cool stuff here. I'm not gonna dive into everything, but that's how you do it. Again, it's Alt T on Windows, and then Option T for my Miggity Mac users. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Matt Lane Producer Hub. Before we go, check out our producer resources. We have a lot of great resources here. Free beat making course, free melody loops. Definitely check these out. Drum kits, all types of things. Click the link in the description to get there, and should be in the comments section as well, unless I completely forget to add it. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.